If you want to mount your phone to your dashboard, you probably need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I will tell you what, when I'm in my Buick Encore, I don't have a place to really put my phone where I can see it. And sometimes you're using Apple CarPlay, you're using the navigation. Maybe you are controlling your podcast, right? The Peter Von Panda podcast, or something equally as dumb. Well, this now will allow you to put your phone where you can see it, and it's universal, but I think it has a magnet here. So my hope is that it will work with my iPhone with that magnetic back there. Baby got magnetic back. And I think it's going to be pretty easy to install. Hopefully it's going to be easy to remove without damaging or leaving any type of adhesive residues. So I'm excited about trying this out because there are a lot of cars where there just isn't an obvious place to put your phone and have it usable. Let's try it out. So I just want to show you what this SYNCWIRE universal mount looks like here. And what we get here are some pads here. This is kind of a 3M double-sided sticky pad. I think that will go on your dash. Looks like we get a couple of these metal rings. I think if you don't have a magnetic back on your phone, you can take this off and put this on your phone. So if you have an older generation phone that doesn't have that, you can certainly add that. Some wet wipes to clean everything down. Not just your dashboard where this is going to mount, but also the back of your phone if you are going to put these rings on as well. And then here is the mount itself. Looks like it's in two pieces. Ooh, it feels nice. It's kind of the space gray aluminum. I will show you here. This unscrews there. And all of this is super weighty and super nice. And then if I loosen that up, oh, it comes with a pad installed. So a double-sided sticky pad right there. And then I think I can just kind of move this back and forth so you can get a little bit of adjustment there. You might be able to hear it. This thing is metal. This thing is definitely like Apple quality. And then we get a nice strong hinge. You can drop this down so it sits in the front. Again, all metal here. Even the ball here is metal. And now this piece even matches here. This is all plastic. So what you would do is you'd take this off. You would go ahead and drop it over that. Then you would go ahead and press pad on there just like that. And now you would tighten it down. This allows you to move this around, articulate it, get it in the position you want, and then tighten it down with this little thumb collar right here. Just like that. So once you tighten that down, it's not going to move. You can see it's a little bit skeletonized. We've got a little air behind there. So you can see how this middle piece is recessed. And then if you have the magnet attached to your phone, or if you have a magnetic back on your phone already, like the modern iPhones, then this will go on there and it's on there pretty good. Doesn't even want to come off. There we go. All right. So let's go ahead and install this and see if it works. All right. So here in the car, and I'm just going to kind of find a place to put this. It can be pretty flexible, I think, because I can adjust it. It says to leave it for 5 hours once you put it in, so that I think it kind of can cure. Now, one thing I'll say is I didn't want it blocking my screen either. So I think it's a little flatter right there. I'm going to kind of put it down right there. And then I'm going to tighten this in just like that. All right. And now that it's been a little time later, I just want to show you here. It is on there. This magnetic case. This iPhone actually doesn't have that magnetic back, so the case has it built in there, but man, it sticks on there nice and strong. So if you want to have your iPhone or any phone really with those adapters available to you so that you can see it, so that you can navigate by it, you can have it draped over the front of the dash here, a really high quality piece made out of aluminum that looks good, that is going to allow you to use the features that you need on your phone. Maybe save you money from upgrading your head unit. I definitely think that this one might do the trick. If you want to pick this one up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.